So, comparing PSG Basic probe, which I introduced in the video before, with the PSG Plus probe, you can already see that there is some difference. Let's talk about it and discover it step by step. First of all, I think this is something you can see in the first impression. There's a big difference in the way how the filter exchange is done. As we use a flange clamp with the PSG Basic probe, PSG Plus probe has a different mechanism. The advantage of this mechanism, which is a little bit bigger compared to the PSG Basic probe, is the handle here, and we have a thermal disconnection between the hot part of the probe, the 200°C part of the probe, and the not hot part with this handle. So it's very easy to remove the filter. The filter inside, in this case PSG Plus probe, comes with a ceramic filter as a standard, where we have the glass fiber filter and the PSG Basic probe as a standard. As I said before, it's compatible, so you can exchange the different filter components. And so we have the big filter surface. The filtration from the sample gas is done from the outside to the inside. Another advantage which you can find here is the back purging. As I mentioned before, PSG Basic probe only has a single back purging option. With the PSG Plus probe, you can configure up to 2 back purging options. For the back purging, the uniqueness here is the big dimension, the big outer and inner diameter of the tubing. With this very big tubing, and as you can see here, the massive solenoid valve, we ensure that the instrument air really purges inside the filter, and with this mechanism, it's, I would say, one of the most effective back purging options which are available in the market. Why are we running on a 2-stage back purging? Very easy explained. The first back purge, what you can see here, is purged from the inside to the outside of the filter, which means we purge inside, and the dust which is sitting on the filter will be gone. The second purge we do with this purging is we purge the chamber. So usually the programming is done that you initially purge from the inside to the outside. Second purge will be the filter chamber back to the process. As I said, with this very big tubing, what we use here, the back purging is very efficient, and this allows to operate the probe even with a relatively high dust concentration without the need of changing the filter. If you look at the data sheet, we also offer, next to the standard heating of the PSG Plus probe, which is PT100 controlled in a temperature range up to 200°C. We have one option where you can heat the probe up to 320°C. This option is often used in Denox applications. Another option what we offer is a self-regulating solution for ATAC, Zone 1 and Zone 2. This is available for 80°C and 150°C. So you can see it's many different options what you can add on to the PSG Plus probe. Another option, as you can see here, is the accumulator for the air, which we also offer as a heated version. in order to make sure that there is not a cool air dropping the temperature of the probe and finally then results into condensate. Okay. If you have any more questions about that, please feel free to contact us and our team, and we are happy to help you in the right